Welcome news out of Washington Friday for some of the January 6th defendants. The Supreme Court ruling that the Justice Department overstepped by charging hundreds of rioters on January 6th with obstruction.
For the defendants, a very big deal. Overall, for the prosecutions of January 6th, I'd say a minor hiccup.
Prosecutors used the criminal statute at the center of this case to prosecute hundreds of rioters who broke into the Capitol that day. Felony obstruction comes with a maximum 20 years in prison. Even though none of the defendants received such a harsh sentence, some are serving time behind bars. This decision could force prosecutors to reopen their cases. Many will have to be retried, resentenced, or simply released from prison.
The individuals who have already been convicted, it'll depend where they are in the process. As long as they have an active appeal, then this will apply to them.
Lene Erickson with Third Way points out this is just one of multiple charges many of the defendants face for actions that day.
It is not a complete deal breaker on whether or not folks who invaded the Capitol on January 6th are going to be held accountable. It's really a kind of technical question around whether obstruction really just refers to things involving documents.
Donald Trump also charged with obstruction for January 6th, and while that charge could be dropped in the wake of today's decision, the former president still has a mountain of other legal battles to fight. The bigger case for Donald Trump is whether or not presidential immunity shields him from prosecution for actions taken during his term. That decision expected Monday. In Washington, I'm Kayla Gaskins.